We are a political pressure group aiming at seeing ourselves being in a better Uganda, in a Uganda of inclusivity, and a Uganda that works for all. As hustlers, we have contributed so much in voting people into offices, and they have forgotten about us. So we have come here, and we have come at this particular time to make sure that whoever we are going to vote is held accountable, and he has the hustler mind at heart.
Been hustling, and up to now I'm hustling. I started my job of teaching. I qualified in 2012, but since then I've never got a government job. Whenever I try to apply for it, the money they say we have to put in, I cannot afford.
Noshanga most of the times aba council bija bat as in bayegura nk'ebintu bitu babitwara kandi ekyo tekikatushemeza munonga.